Hello everyone, my name's Phil with the Go Sold Real Estate Group, powered by eXp. This is Kevin Belzer, and where are we at, Kevin?
Phil, we are at 1322 North Spring Circle in Mesa, Arizona.
Before heading inside this house in North Mesa, we wanted to share with you a couple of locations. So Kevin, spring training's coming up. Where are we at?
We are at Hohokam Stadium.
Ho-ho?
Ho-ho.
Got
Cam.
it. Now, as far as the stadium itself, how far away is it from the house?
Maybe a quarter mile. It's a straight shot.
Perfect. And then let's talk about the history of this stadium, because there is a long history.
It is. It was built in 1997, and from 97 to 2013, it was home to the Chicago Cubs. In 2015, they completely refurbished it and became home to the Oakland A's, and it seats 10,500 people for each game.
Nothing more on that. Great job with all the stats. Let's go to location number 2. Welcome to Riverview Park. Kevin, what is the special connection between the house and the park itself?
Well, the walking, running, and biking path that runs right behind the house goes right through here all the way to Tempe Town Lake.
And the park itself is relatively new. Ton of stuff to do here.
Yeah, it's got to be less than 10 years old. It does have a fishing pond, plenty of activities for the kids as well. There's playgrounds. You can even rent the ramadas out.
And I heard if you're a big fisher, can you keep the fish?
Yeah, it's all yours.
Welcome to Sloane Park. For those of you that do not know, there is a ton of Cub fans here out in Arizona. Kevin, what's the stadium like and why is it so big?
Well, this is the largest spring training park of all of them. It seats 15,000 people. It is home to the mighty Chicago Cubs, who are the 2016 World Series champions.
Seems just like yesterday that they won those rings. Now, as far as the location itself, it's kind of blowing up a little bit.
It is. There's a lot of new build, a lot of new construction going on here. Tons of shopping. This is all within 4 to 5 miles of the house.
Great. So that's it for the locations. Let's head back to the home. Welcome to the inside of the house. We wanted to share with you, this house used to be an actual model home back in the day.
It was. This was the model home for Continental Homes.
Very interesting and a lot of history. Let's talk about specs, how many bedrooms, baths, all that fun stuff.
This one is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath with a den.
Let's talk about the size of the house, Kevin. How big is this?
This is 2,258 square feet.
Now, as far as big ticket items to the house, what are some of the cool features?
Well, you do have the 2-car garage. You have a living room and a family room, so you have 2 different entertainment areas as well as a formal dining.
Perfect. And then, of course, right behind us is a wood-burning fireplace. And then I know you wanted to share with them one item that was actually added on.
I do, definitely.
We are now in the master bedroom, very good size. However, something was added on. Kevin, where exactly are you?
Well, I'm in the den, or another use for this room would be a baby's room, like a little nursery.
Which is perfect. And then also, a closet was added onto it as well.
Yeah, it's perfect. It's a walk-in size closet.
And don't forget the exit to the backyard.
Yep.
This yard is huge, so we're breaking it up into 2 sections. Welcome to section 1. First things first, how big is this lot?
It is just under 16,000 square feet.
Which is very rare to find. And as far as the big ticket features in section 1, what are they?
Well, right behind us, they have the beautiful garden going on. They have lettuce ready to go, and the next month they're gonna have carrots.
Nice. And then I know that there's a shed and even a chicken coop.
There is. Over on the right side of the yard is a storage shed, chicken coop set up, and it's all off by itself.
Perfect. Let's go to section 2. Welcome to section 2 of this backyard in Mesa. Kevin, where exactly are you at?
I'm up in the treehouse. The treehouse, the swing set, and the playhouse behind us, they all stay. They all convey with the property.
And the RV gate also conveys with the property. So if you have toys like RVs, boats, jet skis, perfect house for that. And then last but not least, this neighborhood does not have a
HOA!
All right, Kevin, they want to set up a showing. What's the easiest way?
Well, they can call our office at 480-305-6655 or go to our website, ghostholdrealty.com.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have questions about buying or selling, let us know. And until next time, have a great day.